This video is a how-to guide for obtaining bank activity with the website URL to satisfy underwriting requirements. When is this required? Typically for non-payroll deposits or for showing checks clearing. Often, when we submit bank statements for underwriter review, the statement date ends before key activity for checks clearing or monetary gifts deposited for the home purchase transaction. Since screenshots are not acceptable documentation, the lenders require the bank activity with the website URL on the page. To satisfy underwriting requirements, we have to show continuous activity from the date of the last statement through the transaction that we are trying to document. The activity also needs to show a running balance before and after the transaction in question. Also, we need to tie the account activity to the account statement, and usually that means the last four digits of the account number need to show as well. Typically, the full account number will be X'd out, but the last four digits typically show. In the case of documenting a deposit needed for funds to close, the funds need to show as available funds, and they cannot be in a hold status. To obtain the documentation in the correct format, it is important to access the financial institution's full website on a device that can save PDF files. Mobile versions of the website do not offer full functionality or the ability to save as PDF with the URL. Screenshots are not acceptable documentation. Once you are logged into your financial institution's full website, go to the account in question. Look for an Activity tab or for your institution's version of activity. Make sure to set the date range from the date of the last account statement through the activity you need to document. Once the activity is populated and you have the appropriate range of dates displayed, right-click and go ahead and select Print, and then you want to select the drop-down for the destination as Save to PDF. This will allow you to save the file. Then go ahead and save the file on your computer in a place where you will be able to access it easily. Make sure to open the file before sending it to check your work. Make sure you see the URL somewhere on the document, typically along the top or bottom of the page.